Welcome to Categorize Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Connect your bank account to QuickBooks Local Bakery example. Running a bakery is busy enough, managing staff, orders, and customers. But manually entering daily transactions? That's time you don't have. Today, I'll show you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online so your bakery's sales, expenses, and cash flow update automatically. For many local bakeries, the biggest challenge isn't baking bread or cakes, it's bookkeeping. Every day brings dozens of small transactions, ingredient purchases, supplier payments, staff wages, and customer sales. Doing this by hand takes hours, and mistakes are common. QuickBooks Online removes that headache by syncing directly with your bank account. Every transaction flows into QuickBooks automatically, ready to categorize. This means no more manual entry, no missed expenses, and a clear view of your bakery's finances. Step-by-step guide on how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks. Step 1. Log into QuickBooks Online. Go to your QuickBooks dashboard. Step 2. Go to Banking, Transactions. On the left menu, click Banking or Transactions. Step 3. Add your bank account. Click Link Account or Connect Account. Search for your bank in the list. Step 4. Secure Login. Enter your online banking credentials. QuickBooks connects securely and pulls in your last 90 days of transactions. Step 5. Categorize transactions. QuickBooks suggests categories like supplies, utilities, rent, or sales. You can adjust or create custom rules, like tagging flour and sugar purchases under bakery supplies. Step 6. Review and reconcile. Once transactions sync, review them regularly and reconcile with your statements to keep books clean and accurate. With your bank connected to QuickBooks, daily transactions are automatically imported. You save hours of manual entry. Reports like cash flow and profit and loss are always up to date. You spot issues early, before they affect your bottom line. Whether you run a small bakery or a growing chain, automating your bank feeds in QuickBooks Online makes bookkeeping simple and reliable. Ready to save time and stress? Try QuickBooks Online with the link in description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at categorizeSolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.